is overactive. Unlike HIV and AIDS, it means it's underactive. So our immune system is constantly attacking our healthy tissue, thinking that we have some type of illness when we don't. So our immune system is not as strong as yours, and that's part of what lupus is. And just if you wonder, you're walking around, you probably have an aunt or a cousin or a sister. How many of you all raise your hand if you know someone who has lupus? So it's affecting more people than you think, but this illness and disease is not brought much lighter attention to because people don't understand it. It usually takes about 3 to 5 years to diagnose someone with lupus because it looks like everything else. But it comes down to affecting a lot of, sometimes your kidneys and other organs. It affects people's lungs and hearts. And if it's very in a critical condition or stage, it can even kill someone. But most of us have tried to learn to live with lupus. And I have a friend here who is with me that I just wanted to introduce her because you may not even think that it affects even young people, but it does. And here I have Gabby. I'm just going to ask her a few questions. She's going to play tonight in the game, so you got to be careful with my friend Gabby here. She got diagnosed last year, right? Okay. Tell me how has your life changed since you've had lupus?
I can't go outside as much. I'm playing sports. I can't play as much sports as I want to play.
Do you feel like lupus is taken away any of your dreams?
No.
No? You're going to make them happen anyways.
Yes.
She's got the best positive attitude. I go to the Lupus Foundation of America's support group, and it's been all of my friends that have helped me get through lupus. And I actually do a lot of inspirational speaking and life coaching, and I'm also, you can go to my website, evelinasolis.com, to find out more about the illness, because I know a lot of you just want to go ahead and start the game. And also I have a bunch of inspirational t-shirts and quotes and things on the website to just get people through critical illnesses. You know, a lot of people, you know, may be going through the hospital, getting cancer or whatever it may be, but we hope to be able to help them. And I also I co-host a TV show called Ujima TV, and it'll be on cable access channel here in Austin, on Channel Austin. And here are my good friends, Zamita and Harry. They she actually owns Ujima Magazine, which helped start the TV show. So I host a radio show, a TV show, and I get to travel the country speaking. So I don't want to hold up too much time. I want you guys to have a great time. But remember, while you're doing this, we thank you for bringing awareness and light to this critical illness that a lot of people don't understand. Thank you so much.